Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to optimize a LinkedIn profile. So if you want to land the best job or maybe you're looking for any specific project, so for that reason you want to optimize the LinkedIn, I'll show you how it could be possible. Simply go to the browser and then you have to search for a website that could be helpful for you. This one is called Career Flow. You have to simply search for it, get to its website and then you have to sign up. This tool will help you optimize your LinkedIn profile. So what you have to do is you just have to simply go with the option it asks. So basically it will ask you some of the basic information related to you, your work experience, your education, or the work that you're interested in. So simply answer it as per your preferences, and once you do it, then you will have to connect your LinkedIn with that. Along with that, you have to also get its Google Chrome extensions. With the help of it, you will be able to use it on the LinkedIn. It has two plans. You can go with the free one, and after that, it will welcome you. Now on the right side you will see the option for the extension to download. Simply go with it and it will take you to the Google Chrome extension store. From there you have to simply add its extension. Once the extension gets added you have to simply get back. On the right side you will see the option for optimize now. It is for the LinkedIn. Click onto it and it will take you to this page. This will be your LinkedIn account. If you're not logged in, simply log in. Now once you're here on the right side you will see we have the option through the career flow. This is because we have added its extension. Now there you can see we have some of the green signs, yellow signs and red signs. And on top of that you will see some percentage. Right now it is 28. So 28% means that this profile is 28% optimized. We have to make it 100%. So what you have to do is that those options that have the green signs, that means we have done that right thing. But the signs that have the yellow signs and the red signs, that means we have to change it and we have to make them correct so that our profile gets 100% optimized. And once you go with all that you will see the profile optimization percentage increases. So you have to go with all these options whatever it asks, like add your profile picture, your background, your education, experience, title, each and everything, and your optimization should be 100%. Once it is 100%, that means your LinkedIn is on the point and you are ready to get the best jobs available. So that's how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.